So hello everyone, welcome to World Read Aloud Day, brought to you by the fine people of Hodder and the Ministry of Education. My name is Charmaine Glasgow and I am the Director of the Educational Library Services Department here at NALIS. My story is a very windy day taken from the Caribbean Comprehension and Integrated Skill-Based Approach, Book 4. It was a hot, windy day. Alex and Carl were on their way to the soccer field. They wanted to play with Alex's new ball, and he was carrying the ball in a bright blue plastic bag. When they got to the field, Alex took the ball out of the bag and left the bag on the ground. A gust of wind whooshed across the field and whipped the blue bag high into the air. Wham! Whack! Shh! Went the bag. It danced in the wind and then floated down towards. Shanice was jogging down the road in her new running shoes and matching outfit. Her smart new hairstyle bounced up and down as she ran. The bag slapped into Shanice's face. Smack! Sheesh! Shanice pushed the bag off her face and carried on jogging. The wind whipped the bag into the air again. Wham! Whack! Sheesh! Went the bag. It danced in the wind and then floated down slowly towards. Mr. Morgan was driving his new car down the road. He loved his new car and everyone looked at him as he drove. The bag slapped into the windscreen on Mr. Morgan's new car. Smack! Sheesh! Mr. Morgan almost had an accident. He couldn't see anything. He got out of the car and took the plastic bag off his windscreen, but the wind whipped the bag into the air again. Wham! Whack! Sheesh! Went the bag. It danced in the wind and then floated down slowly towards. Alex and Carl were having fun. The new ball was really good to play with, and suddenly something slapped into Carl's face. Where did this bag come from? He asked. Put it in the bin where it belongs, said Alex. People really should not leave plastic bags lying around. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I hope you listen to the moral of not littering and putting your trash where it belongs. Please do enjoy the rest of the stories.